Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing this song by Disclosure, Kehlani. It's called Birthday, and it's pretty simple. We're playing it in simple chords, so just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning. Put your capo on fret number 3, and let's get right into it. So the first chord is an A minor, and then we go to, this is supposed to be a D minor, right, where you hold where you hold 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 2 3 1, but instead we're gonna change that to be just like an A minor but without the 4th string, right? So we can use the bass for the D minor chord, right? So we're gonna play A minor. This time you plug strings 5 4 3, and then you go to A minor without the bass, and then you plug strings 4 3 2, right? That's how you achieve that. And then you go to F, but for F we're not holding 1st fret of string number 1, right? And we're plucking strings 6 3 2 1, and then we go to E minor and we pluck string 6 4 3 2. So that's A minor, and then you remove the bass, and then we go to F, and then we go to E minor. And if you want to just do strums, you should play A minor, D minor, F, E minor, right? A minor, D minor, F, E minor, right? That's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And that on A minor, D minor, down, up, down, down. And then F, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And that is pretty much the whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, just let me know. I will link it in the comment section. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Let me know in the comment section any other songs that you need me to check out for y'all. Peace.